Hello. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajahum. Today is 22nd of Feb and it's Sunday and it's a weekly review video and slash a trade review video too because I haven't uh, reviewed the Friday price action, so I'll talk about that too. I will so it can be a bit longer video, maybe, I don't know, who cares, and don't mind if I'll be a bit slower than usual because right now I'm fasting and I'm right now in fast and kind of feeling weakness and feeling a bit low energy. Uh, so this week, uh, no doubt this week was one of the worst week I ever had, and this week was tough. The start was good. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was a bit okay. I think I missed the moves. The Thursday and the Friday cooked me completely. So uh, uh, I had I think one of the longest streak of losing, 6 consecutive losses and 3 consecutive losing days. So let's just get into it. It is what it is. I was not. Uh, I, it's human nature. It's I'm not going to say that I did not bothered me, but yeah, it is what it is. It's trading, and there are weeks like this. So yeah, let's just first I will talk about the Friday, and then I will give it the weekly review of the trading, and at the end of the video I will give the review of the weekly goals uh, aside the trading. Let's just get into it. So mm, I will I I think the me speaking slower or being slower wouldn't affect the video because as usual I will speed the video up. So let's start from the daily chart, and the trade were uh, good, but they were late, and yeah, I don't know. So let's just get into it. Start from the month. Let's start from the month. So two monthly PDRAs to look at, to observe, this recent one and this is the longest one. So uh, wait a minute. I am back. I need to be a bit hurry. I have to go somewhere. So it's I got only like 30 minutes in which I have to make this video. I have to edit it and I have to upload it. The upload thing can be at the night, but two things should be done in this period. So let's just start it. So weekly chart, I will not skip anything. I will try to get and everything. So the most important thing right now is this. So focus has to be on this. So this is the weekly chart. Went into the upper quarter, start going up, and this is the upper quarter, the week. Sorry, quadrants, which will be, I think, uh, more often will be seen today. Let's see. So this is the real chart, the daily chart. The things are going to be start getting clear. So this is the Friday week daily candle. As you can see, I highlighted the discount week, this one, and the this premium week, and this is the FVG, which is used as IFVG. Okay, this is a BC which is used to the upside. So we went into the upper quarter. This was a sign to me that we are going to the upside. It was a good sign that we took previous 2 days lows plus touch the daily upper quarter plus the weekly upper quarter, and we start going up. And still and this is the thing that I read it very precisely. Uh, that's why I'm calling the reason, and you will see what the position I took, and was it long or was it short? So still I got losses. So yeah, it kind of disturbed me these days, but yeah, it is what it is. Have to move on, have to be careful. I was I think this week I wasn't that careful of the price action. I become a bit careless, kind of careless, that I still followed the rule. I didn't um, lose more than I should, and I followed the rule. But in these kind of market, okay, Nalan, you got into the nasty market Wednesday, okay, Thursday, but why did you get into the nasty market? You get on the uh, high resistance liquidity run on the Friday. So yeah, that's the thing. Let's just get into it. Okay, this was the daily chart, and this is the 4 hour range I highlighted. So we went into the discount. If we have highlighted this, as you can see, we went into the discount, and I don't remember what news it was. Let me check it. Have to be fast. Previous week, what was the news? Okay, PM flash PMM news. The last news was 9:45. So in I was I already planned the day that how will I trade, which was like I will trade after the news, the last news, which was at 9:45. So this is the 1 hour chart. This, I think it was um, SMT found here. So this is the candle which we will get into. This is a 15-minute chart, 9:30 opening, 9:40, 9:45. Wait a minute, this is 9:45 candle, the news one. So uh, on 15 minutes, there's a lot of lipstick slash not um, a lot of drawings and more detail than any other time frame. So I will give a quick review or overview what they are. So we are in discount, 4 hour went into discount. This is the old first presented fair value gap plus the daily, and this is the old weekly opening gap. Okay, this is the first presented fair value gap from the yesterday. Well, like the no, not yesterday, it is also the old one. It's on the Wednesday one. So still I highlighted because we was going to, yeah, going to use that, and as we did, and was going to get through that. So that's why I highlighted it, and as you can see it that it used it the 2 days old first presented fair value gap. So wow, it's clear that the markets are rigged. Why they are using a old 2 days old gap this precisely? Okay, uh, let's get into the 5 minute chart. These were the trades. As you can see that it's uh, later than the move. Why is that after that so late? Because of the 9:45 news. This was the news. This was an opportunity to, was a very good opportunity which I missed. I don't know how, and I think I don't know, because of this, and I kind of missed a move here. By looking at it again, it's clear that I missed it first, and then I entered, which got me 2 times, and then it went up. And if I were in this trade, I would have got out. Not, I would say break even. I would have placed the stop loss like here with some profit. So clearly, it was better than losses. So, but as you can see, the market uh, didn't move smoothly. So first, let's see the 5 minute chart. Or 5 minute. So this was the 5 minute first presented fair value gap. We didn't trace into it, which is a powerful move. We went into this gap and used it to upside this 15-minute gap, and that's why I by seeing price respecting the 15 minute and all this, not tracing into this and not even tracing into the first presented fair value gap, uh, I was I was confident that we are going to move smoothly to the upside, and the days which were going to be very smoother than the Wednesday and the Thursday. But as you can see, yeah, we didn't move that smoothly. And Kaira was the stop loss were not that good, and as I said, uh, that I was careless. I could do better. Uh, I should have been more careful in these kind of markets. Um, and I placed the stop loss, and I entered the trade like a very smooth market. And yeah, so let's get into the 1 minute chart. I will be very it's been, I think, already a lot. Yeah, let's just get into the 1 minute chart. It's so smooth here, it's so clear here. I already knew that we are going to the upside, and I don't know the and still I'm not hitting the move with so precisely. uh, uh, Respected this and went to the upside, first presented fair value gap, and as you can see, weekly opening gap, trace into it, upper quarter, expand up, went into up, create the 5 minute, first presented here, didn't even trace into it. 1 minute, smooth structure, could have entered here. This was the move which I think by looking at it after, I missed it. And I think I was like looking at this gap that uh, that we might respect it to the upside, and we are in premium. As you can see, this is the 4 hour 50% line, so we can go and touch it and go and start going. But I didn't see that at that time, although I was so sure about the day that the respecting of the lower quarter of the weekly is a sign of bullishness to the upside. The respecting of the upper quarter to the upside is a sign of bullishness, and by getting all the smooth lows and all this respecting first presented, then and yeah, went above. And I wouldn't say this was not good, they were not good trade, but I think I should have entered one. But the trade for the second is because of that proportion. Let's I skip this part. Let's read this and then we'll get to the trade. Okay, went above, low quarter, went down, uh, respect the bodies, respect the low half, went above, not smooth, very dirty, and I should have looked this as a sign that I shouldn't be uh, taking a trade here and just uh, by seeing all this but not seeing the structure how the market is moving right now. And I did the mistake one time, and why did I did the mistake second time? As I already showed the reason why did I enter the long reason very clearly. I was bullish, and this was the sign why did I enter here. The reason is the proportional block and the upper quarter of these two PDRAs, the one daily IFVG and the daily wick, the long wick. You can see two upper quarters. Okay, and yeah, this was the low quarter of the monthly respected to the downside when it took me, and I was just out of the trade, and you can see it took me respected to the quarter, respected to the upside, came lower and went down again. See, and just yeah, it's the day. Friday it was the this was the day, and I'm not getting into after it. So this was the day, and I went either with here I think why I logged out, but is the executions on the Think Capital and took it on both accounts, funded lead and lead. Oh, sorry, the Think Capital and on both accounts I am in drawdown. And again at here I was, and I was a bit upset before after these days. First Wednesday, first missing moves, then Wednesday, then Thursday, and then Friday, the end of the week. Clearly didn't want it to end like this, but yeah, it's out of the market don't care about what you want. So then I looked, I was a bit upset, and then I watched a video of a YouTuber, and the name is not coming in my mind. So he also didn't trade well this week, and he didn't trade well, I think, the whole this month, and he traded only I think well only 1 week, and he had like 8 trades of losing streak and whole week of losing. I should be glad that I just I traded very well on Monday, and although I'm in loss, but I can read I read price very nicely, and yeah, but I was not good with the execution. As you can see, I wasn't good with the execution, and have to work on it. I have to be a little bit more careful, not have to work on. I know what I'm doing, what the entry scenario is, but still I get into this trap, and effects of losing streak and get the losses back, and was getting into FOMO that I don't miss the move the way it was moving, and I missed these. I was calling this very clearly candle by candle that where we are going to go, and I was not able to take this because of the 9:45 news. If there was no news, I would have entered here. Oh, that's why I didn't enter here. I will remember when I was saying that this was a missed move. This was the time of 9:40 and the news was 9:45. So yeah, it was out of my hand, and so I can't trade in the news. So before the news over, so I have to trade after the news. So this was the move, or not a smooth move, clearly be seen, and this was a structure which I want just better to take a trade on, and it still didn't move well, but still it was a break-even trade. So I think just let's into the weekly. I think so this is the weekly of the Think Capital. Yeah, let me show you the start of the week. What was the date of the start? Monday on the 16th. This is 16th. First day trade well, then all these, then break even kinda, and this is a loss streak. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 losing trades and 3 losing days, same as and as you can see we were already, I think, $100, a bit more than $100 away to hit the break even from only $25, and we are again at a very low. So this was the day, and this is the day. One thing I already talked about in the last video, one of my last videos, that one thing I'm not realized that when I win I stop trading, but when I lose a trade I look for opportunity. And that's not like it was like a revenge trade. It's kind of, but uh, technically it's kind of, but I look for opportunity, and when I got an opportunity, I took a trade like these one. Let me show you. Like this one, first a loss, then a win. It's not like I'm trading my emotions or something. I look for opportunity, loss and win, and same loss and then win. The thing is, what I'm not doing is when I win a trade, I don't trade again, and that's why I'm not winning too much. And when I lose more. I lose high because I look for a trade after losing the trade. And the worst scenario in that kind of situation is I get two losses, as you can see. But and when I don't go for the two wins, and that keep me safe, but it that keeps me low on the profit as well. That's keep me stop. That's keep me not making more profit, like high profit. So the good scenario on the the looking for trade after losing is the thing which can happen is two things. First, I win a trade, I get all the loss back, and I get one RR. Okay, or kind of break even day. Okay, like so. The worst scenario which can happen in this situation is I get two losses. I lose the trade again, and this is those were the days. And in winning days, I don't go for it. I should be willing to risk more. Like if I win one trade, I get the um, uh, two RR. If I go for the another trade, the worst scenario which can happen is I lose a trade and I still will go with the 1 RR. And the best scenario which can be I win a trade again, which will be 4 RR. So this one thing I've been thinking in these 2 days, and I will inshallah work on it. And so yeah, this was the day, not the best day, one of the worst week, but yeah, we have to move on. Inshallah ta'ala, I already been in this kind of situation. You can see I came back very stronger, and was only $25 away to lose the account. And yeah, I have to be not confident but not overconfident. I have to see some things. You can see the Friday is the worst day of the week I'm having, so I will not be trading on Friday. This is full stop, no nothing. I will not look for a trade on Friday. And yeah, this one thing which is what the results are showing. So I have to see what's the results are showing, so I have to follow that for now at least. So yeah, this was the day, and now I will uh, look at the this is the end of the week trading week review. Now I will get into the task, and I will just will get into it. Hello. So this is the result of the weekly goals previous week. Workout done and backtest done. 5 days a week. Backtest review. I did 2 times. I was doing today as well. Load 3 videos. I think I uploaded like 4, 5, 6. Journal. I did journal this time. Yes, I think I did journal like 5 days. I don't know, but yeah, uh, I I feel very good about it. I was not doing it regularly, and inshallah ताला I will keep doing it. And अच्छा यार, I'm going to speak उर्दू. मैनू पहले ही भाई उर्दू और पंजाबी भाई पहले ही मेरा तो जनाब रोज़ा लगता है उतो भाई है इंग्लिश बोलना तौबा तो भाई रोज़ा तो नहीं, लेकिन एम ही बस चिड़चिड़ाई भाई कवर करिए। और मैं थोड़ा सा बात भी करना चाहता हूँ ट्रेडिंग के बारे में भी। अच्छा बार सो आई जर्नल आई डिडंट मेडिटेट दिस वीक। अच्छा मज़े की बात ये है, मेडिटेशन इतनी मेरे लिए मतलब हर दफ़ा मैंने क्यों छोड़ी है कि मैं इसको करता एंड पे करूँगा, सोने से पहले करूँगा, सोने से पहले करूँगा, सोने से पहले करूँगा, और सोने से पहले नहीं हो पाती। उस टाइम ऐसा टाइम होता है कि उस टाइम बस मैंने मतलब सुस्त रहा हूँ, और इसको मैं करने वाला हूँ। और अब ये मैंने अगले वीक का जो गोल्स है ना, आई एम गोइंग टू शो द नेक्स्ट वीक गोल्स, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू cover this up as I did with the journal, inshallah ta'ala. Arabic, I did 5 days, not 6 days, and I'm going to do it 5 days a week, not going to do 6 days. It's okay. And Japanese, same as Arabic, I didn't tick here. These are done very well this week. Tick, reach 10k points. I reached that. It's something I'm doing. So reach 10k points. Book reading, yes sir. I read more than 10 pages this week on both books. Good achievement. And the fixture, I didn't fix that. That's why I put a line on it. It's not cause or मैंने जनाब वो चीज़ निकाल ली है, लेकिन अभी तो वो फिक्स नहीं की है, टाइम ही नहीं लगा। और ना पता नहीं इसका मैं अगले वीक पर नहीं गोल्स कर रहा हूँ। ये है कि मैंने उसको निकाल लिया तो हाफ डन हो गया, इंशाल्लाह वो फिक्स वाला भी कर लेंगे। अब नाउ लेट्स गो इनटू द नेक्स्ट वीक गोल्स। इट्स आई थिंक same as the previous, but one or two change. So this is the next week goals, or yeah, this week will be a tough one, especially for the workout thing, because I'm fasting right now. I mean, it's Ramzan, and वर्कआउट का टाइम क्या था नॉर्मली मैं यूज टू वर्कआउट एट द मॉर्निंग द सेकंड आई वेक अप आई स्टार्ट आई डू वर्कआउट बट रोज़ों में रूटीन थोड़ी चेंज होगी और मेरे पास सिर्फ एक ही टाइम है वर्कआउट करने का, वो है अफ्तारी से पहले। और उस टाइम मतलब मैं बता रहा हूँ मैंने एक दिन किया है वर्कआउट, मतलब मुश्किल होता है, वीकनेस फील होती है। और तो हाँ ये चैलेंज है, और जैसे जैसे दिन गुजर है ना तो वीकनेस फील हो रही है, लेकिन इंशाल्लाह इसको करना है हमने, इंशाल्लाह 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 ताला। ये चीज़ है कि भाई पता होने चलेगा भाई मेरा, मैं बड़ा पहले तो टिक टिक वर्कआउट से होते प्यान पता इस महीने चल सकता है, तो इंशाल्लाह ताला इसी महीने पता चल सी। बैक टेस्ट एज यूजुअल 5 days, बैक टेस्ट रिव्यू 6 days on the 6th day, and Sunday. Okay, so upload 3 videos at least. The video should be the back test one, the live one, and the weekly review one. And as this week I did very well, and I put like 5 or 6 video, I don't know, it's 4 at least. Journal 4 days, I will at least, and the meditation I'm going to do 5 days at least. Previous week I think it was 4 and I did like 2 days. I'm going to do 5 days this week. No excuses. Arabic 5 days, I'm already said that I'm going to go it with 5 days. It's enough, it's good. So Japanese 5 days. Hadith I'm going to change with the Hadith to reading Hadith to 15 pages. Like I will read 15 pages of that book. So, and I'm going to increase the pages on the book, and which is 15 pages. So I'm right now at 124. I set the goal I think on 120. I read 4 more pages, and on the 48 laws of power I think it was 94 or 95, and I read 4 pages more. So the next target is to reach 139. Whew, on this book, and the next book 114. So yeah, this is the next week goals, and inshallah ta'ala we'll see the result at the next week. So this is the end of this video. और मैं ना कल सोच रहा था कि मैं उर्दू में ही कर लेता हूँ, मैं कि कल मेरा बना लेता वीडियो कि मैं विल टॉक अबाउट द ट्रेडिंग हाउ आई फेल्ट। मैं नहीं, पहले सोच रहा था कि कुछ बात करूँ ना मैं इस चीज़, लेकिन जो मेरे दिल में आ रहा है लगता है कर देनी चाहिए। तो लास्ट वीक वाज नॉट गुड, दिस वीक दिस प्रीवियस वीक। और मुझे अच्छा मतलब एक तरह से हिट किया ये वीक कि किधर से आप कम बैक कर रहे हो। मैं आई वाज लाइक ओनली वन ट्रेड अवे ऑन थिंक कैपिटल टू पास द अकाउंट, ओनली वन बीइंग ट्रेड, एंड आई वाज एट ब्रेक इवन ऑन द funded lead. So only 2 days, like 3 days changed all the view. So but यही बात कि बड़ी ये चीज़ मुश्किल है, और जाहिर है कोई बता साथ, और जितना आपका अल्लाह ही जानता है मेरा कि मैं कितना इस टाइम चाहता हूँ कि ये चीज़ उनके कब से यार ये है, और बस लेकिन मैं छोड़ नहीं सकता, मैं नहीं क्विट कर सकता इस चीज़ को, कभी भी नहीं कर सकता, सोच ही नहीं सकता। बहुत अजीब फील डाउट्स वही बात के आ जाते हैं घबराहट से कि पता नहीं क्या मेरी गलती हो रही क्या हो रहा है, लेकिन वही बात ट्रेडिंग 100% नहीं है। और मैंने जब ट्रेड को देखा अच्छी खासी थोड़ा टाइम ब्रेक, उसके बाद मैंने माइंड फ्रेश कर दोस्तों के साथ थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड किया, गेम्स वगैरह खेली, उसके बाद मैंने देखा और वही कि कुछ चीज़ें मेरी गलतियाँ थी, और इसमें कुछ भी ये नहीं था कि मैं कुछ मॉडल का कुछ था। तो हाँ बाकी मैं इंशाल्लाह ताला इस चीज़ को तब तक करूँगा जब तक मैं इसमें सक्सेसफुल ना हो जाऊँ। और ये चीज़ें मैं कल को देखूँगा इंशाल्लाह कि मैं ये दिन थे और मैं किस तरह इन दिनों में मैंने खुद पर किया काबू। और क्या मैं नहीं कर सकता, और कभी भी नहीं, जो मर्जी हो जाए। और बड़ा एक ज़ाहिर है पीछे एकदम से वही बात के फिर से स्टार्ट हो गया वही जिधर थे पहले, और कोई कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, फिर से करूँगा इंशाल्लाह, फिर से अपनी गलतियाँ इंशाल्लाह ताला, इनमें कोई बेहतरी होनी मुझे पता है, और मुझे पता है बस ये मेरे लिए, और ना मैं ये छोड़ने वाला। और इंशाल्लाह ताला ये जब हो जाऊँगा ना तब मैं ये वीडियोस देखूँगा कि यार उस टाइम क्या कितना वो टाइम मुश्किल होना है, उस टाइम में ये चीज़ें कैसे, मतलब क्या मैं ये चीज़ मेरे माइंड में जो है ना रिजल्ट, वो चीज़ मुझे आगे बढ़ने के लिए ना मोटिवेट करती है। नहीं बस यही चीज़ कि उस टाइम आ जाता है कि यार क्या ये चलती है, क्या होगा क्या नहीं, लेकिन फिर उसके बाद जब ज़हन में चीज़ें आती हैं कि कैसी कैसी चीज़ों से मैं गुजरूँ, एंड और किस टाइम में मैं ये पढ़ता रहा हूँ जिधर पता नहीं, लेकिन बस वो उसको मैं नहीं, एक चीज़ एक स्किल है मेरे पास सिर्फ ये, और इसमें इंशाल्लाह मैं वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बनूंगा हूँ मैं, बस मुझे कुछ चीज़ें ठीक करनी है, और इंशाल्लाह मुझे बस टू ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस, टू वर्क हार्ड, एंड जस्ट हैव टू ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस। एंड इंशाल्लाह ये मेरा अगर मैं इसको छोड़ूंगा तो मैंने खुद पर कर लिया कि मेरा इसका मतलब ये है कि मुझे यकीन नहीं कि अल्लाह मुझे क्या दे सकता है, और मैंने ये करते रहना। और इसका मेरा वही बात मैंने मैंने दिल में ये सोच लिया हुआ कि ये चीज़ ये ऐसी है कि मतलब मैं रोज़ जा रहा हूँ दस्तक देने, और मुझे नहीं पता जवाब कब आएगा या क्या होगा, जवाब आएगा क्या आएगा नहीं आएगा, लेकिन वो चीज़ मैटर नहीं करती, मैटर ये करती है कि मुझे यकीन है मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं इस उम्मीद से जा रहा हूँ, मैं तो जा रहा हूँ, और कल को मैं तो नहीं शर्मिंदा होऊंगा कि मैं के बाद अगर मैं ये छोड़ दूँ, मैं कल को क्या मुँह दिखाऊंगा कि अगर मुझसे सवाल किया जाएगा कि क्या तुझे यकीन नहीं था, क्या तू वो नहीं कोशिश, मतलब तुझे यकीन नहीं था कि ये वर्क करेगा, और तूने क्यों आना छोड़ दिया, क्यों तूने कोशिश छोड़ दी। तो वही बात कि मैं ये चीज़ नहीं छोड़ सकता, मैं करता रहूँगा जब तक मेरी सांस है। बीच में टाइम आता है जिस तरह ये अब टाइम आया कि दिल बहुत बैठ जाता है, और कोई नहीं, किसी को नहीं पता अभी तक क्या चल रहा है, क्या ट्रेडिंग है क्या नहीं, ये बस एक ट्रेडर ही जानता है। और बस इस टाइम मैं जानता हूँ या मेरा अल्लाह जानता है, तो बाकी या मौला जानता है। और बस बाकी यही है, थोड़ी सी मैंने ये नहीं है वोंट बी अ क्राई बेबी, बट या द इमोशंस आर रियल एंड इट इज टफ एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट्स वर्थ इट। एंड और ये चीज़ है कि जो मैंने नहीं लगा छोड़ सकता, दिस इज द थिंग I'll be proud of one day that I didn't waited for someone to help me, didn't uh, get anyone's help, or didn't hope for something, and was just like working hard and only बड़ी चीज़ें जिनमें मैं अच्छा रहा हूँ छोटे होते से, लेकिन कोई भी चीज़ की थोड़ा सा बेहतर होना छोड़ देना। लेकिन ये चीज़ जो है ना, आई विल गेट एट द फिनिश लाइन, आई विल नॉट स्टॉप इट, आई विल नॉट इसको बीच में नहीं छोड़ने वाला इंशाल्लाह। बाकी ये था वीक, इंशाल्लाह ताला अगले वीक इंशाल्लाह मैं जैसे वीडियो बना रहा हूँ बनाता रहूँगा, पता नहीं क्या रिजल्ट देगा, लेकिन ये मुझे अपने फॉलो रूल्स करने, और बाकी इंशाल्लाह ताला मेरा मौला जो भी करेगा बेहतर ही होगा। बस मुझे उम्मीद यकीन रखना है कि सब कुछ बेहतर होने वाला है इंशाल्लाह ताला। मैं मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, मुझे फॉलो करना है रूल्स, और मुझे मिलेगा चाहे जो हो जाए, चाहे ये दिन नीचे जा रहा हूँ, मैं लूज़ कर रहा हूँ, जो कर रहा हूँ, कुछ रास्ता कोई समझ नहीं आ रही, लेकिन नहीं, मैं उम्मीद में छोड़ सकता, और जो मैं कर सकता हूँ मैं करूँगा। और इंशाल्लाह ताला मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि मैं बहुत हार्ड वर्क कर, आई कैन डू वे बेटर देन आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ, बट और बस ये नहीं कि मैं इस चीज़ को ज़हन में लेकर ये चीज़ करना छोड़ दिया, जो भी बस जो भी है मुझे, जब मेरा दिल जब नॉर्मली मतलब मैं जहाँ 100 स्टेप ले रहा हूँ ना, अगर कोई दिन आता है बहुत बुरे से बुरा ऐसे, मुझे तब भी एक स्टेप तो लेना है कि भाई मैं छोड़ा तो नहीं स्टेप लेना। तो हाँ, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि मैं तब भी 100 स्टेप लूँगा इंशाल्लाह, वो भी टाइम आएगा। बाकी ये था भी, मुझे लगता है बस 4:30 हो गया, मैंने जाना है, आई विल एडिट एट नाइट, आई थिंक दिस वाज द डे एंड आई डोंट केयर these videos will get views, or I in deep inside I kind of don't want these videos to get views. Like it's like a journal to me. It's like a journaling my trading journey, and now it's like all the emotions that I kept inside me. Or yeah, so I'm keeping inside me. So yeah, I think that's it. Or पता नहीं, दिल नहीं कर रहा बंद करने को, but we have to end it, I have to go somewhere. So yeah, that's it. Inshallah Taala we'll see this result, and it will be Inshallah Taala will be good, and will be inshallah better than the previous week. One thing which I was not able to do was this one thing, meditation, and I will keep this on first on my everyday task to do list. Okay, so yeah, that was the day, and uh, that's it. It's 22nd of Feb. It's the end of the week, and it's going to it's a new week is going to start, and inshallah I will come back inshallah. Allah Hafiz.